Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram crash problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and search in app list for the Instagram, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step is you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions, and then you need to turn off your smartphone, and then you need to turn on again and log in your Instagram account, and after that your Instagram account is working properly, as you can see that. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.